let's get to cooking. Making homemade chicken broth. Shout out to Mama Dukes, man, because she said you're doing a soup series, so you might as well tell people how to make the base of it. So you ain't got to go to Walmart. You can have a immense amount of more flavor to this. So let's get it. So the best way to make your chicken broth is the bones of a chicken. So we're gonna debone this chicken together. Again, this is my first time. So we're gonna cut it up. I wish I had a sharper knife. So we're gonna cut the skin off. And you see the bones right here? You're gonna pop it open. Break it, and you should just, oh, not cut it. There we go. Oh, hold up. This is my first time. Oh, okay. So I broke the bone. It's a lot of liquids. I'm just gonna cut the first one off. The chicken quarter. Boom. Just cut off the skin. Right here. So the best way to do it is to cut along the bones. So it's bones right here, and you're gonna want to cut along it. You don't want to cut the bone. You literally just want to cut along the bones. So you don't want to actually cut the bone. You just really want to feel the bone and just cut along with it. Easier. So got the chicken breast right here, and this is the chicken tendon right here that we can cut off, and that's how you make the chicken tenders. So you throw that in the So what I'm going to do is literally if I can do it, I'm just gonna literally try to at least break the chicken up a little bit so it can all fit. I'm trying to break the chicken up, cut it up so it can all fit into the crock pot. I just want you to see, look at all of these juices. This is gonna make a good chicken broth. Throw the roasted chicken up in there now. Now we're gonna pop this. So we're gonna usually leave a lot of the skin on because it's just gonna add more flavor to it. Just gonna cut up your onion. You're gonna rough chop up your onion. So when people say rough chop, so they're saying they're not gonna do accurate, like really harp on if it's cut or not. Gonna go pop this in there as well. So now we got our celery. So now we have our carrots. We're just gonna cut the leeks. So if I was making beef broth, I want to use the greens, but I'm gonna use the whites because they're a little bit sweeter. So the leeks adds a nice little sweetness to it. If you don't know what leeks are, I can't tell you because I barely know what they are too. So we're gonna cut these up. Oh my God. I need a sharper knife. Putting the knife to it. We're gonna add 2 bay leaves. So we're adding the herbs just to add a little more aroma to it and just a little more enhance the flavor, add a little more depth to the flavor. So some thyme as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fill the top of this up all the way up to the top with cold water. Not hot water, cold water. I'm gonna add, I know this is about to overflow, but we're going to add parsley to it as well. We're gonna let this sit on low for about 36 hours. So we don't want it to bubble up. We want it to slow and simmer and break down all of the nutrients and get this nice, authentic, articulate broth. So I'll see you guys in 36 hours. 36 hours later, it's more about 2 days later. This is what it looks like. All of the nutrients is gone. So this is how it is. It still got some of the impurities. So what the impurities are is just like the gunk. So look at it. Oh, this is heavy. A little at a time to filter everything out. So this is what we have left. This is all nothing, just dead. All the nutrients are out. If you tried it, it tastes like nothing for real. So after I let the broth freeze, this is what it came out to be. It's a little dark because I added the roasted chicken. So I'm gonna have to see how it is. And when he came up with these, I spilled some of it off camera when I was trying to keep straining it. Spilled it off camera, so it could have been more. But then again, I think I will do a bigger pot so I can get more out of it. Cause like some of the people I've seen use them big quarts to get like 6 of these. So my little crock pot, when he came up with this after straining it and all of that, it's cool. Gonna see. So thank you guys for watching. Check the next video because I will be using it. Check the next video, please. Hey, keep the vibes good and it eats even better. Peace.